Hello, traders. Thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. I've been trading for almost 4 years now. My main purpose of my live streams and my YouTube channel itself is to share as much free knowledge pertaining to trading in the most simplest form possible, in hopes that it will be able to give value and help you guys out as traders in any way possible. That's basically my purpose lah of my YouTube channel and my live streams. So thank you guys for joining us. For whoever is available on the live stream, feel free to say hi. How was your day? Have you guys been trading? If yes, means what have you been focusing on? I got a few interesting things to highlight today, guys. It actually is pertaining to AUD USD. Okay, gold not so much yet. Okay, but almost. But maybe we can speak about it now. And then there is a golden opportunity probably for BTC. Okay, Bitcoin. So this is ETH lah, by the way. It's already went to TP lah. We spoke about this the past two live streams. You guys can actually watch that. I kind of like missed out on this because I didn't scale down. Okay, so it actually already went to retest this area and then went to the TP range lah. So I'm not really looking forward for it to come into this range anymore. But there is a probability because, like I said, it looks like Bitcoin is about to move higher. Okay, based on some analysis that I did here. So later on, I will be actually sharing that with you guys lah. Okay, I will break it down a bit more, and also we'll be speaking a little bit about Solana also. So I just leave the chart at ETH first, guys, because I didn't take my glass of water yet. So let me just go and get that first. Okay, so you guys just enjoy the music, watch the charts for me. I'll be right back. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to just leave it in the chat section. Once I get back, I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Okay, give me a moment. Where should we begin with today's live stream? Today is quite a few things to share, but it won't be a long one, okay, because we are basically just waiting. So I just want to share with you my analysis, okay, and what I'm predicting for price to actually do. Excuse me, guys. Today I eat earlier this. I'm quite proud of myself. That's why I'm a little bit out of breath because I ate a lot of rice just now. Okay, so I'm thinking, should we start with crypto? Yeah, maybe we start with crypto because, like I said, Bitcoin is a potential entry model. Okay, so I was analyzing earlier Bitcoin that it was moving down. Okay, so I actually don't mind it moving down because my prediction was Bitcoin may start to go up. Like I shared in a live stream, whenever we are looking or anticipating for price to actually move higher, it must move down first. So in this case, since I'm anticipating for price to move higher, it is a very beautiful and good thing that it is moving down first. Okay, so most importantly, where is it moving down to? There's only one very mini thing that I find a little bit like Is this my opportunity to enter now? That's why I never enter yet. I'll be honest, I never enter yet. Okay, because I'm not seeing anything I want to see yet. Just coming to the zone, just showing me this green candle is not what I want to see yet. Okay, let me remove this arrow first. Okay, you see this liquidity range, right? I want to see, if price will come take it out or not, but he didn't. Okay, you see how close is it? This is extremely close. Okay, and this one is almost equal high, equal lows. So basically, this is something like a magnet. And we have 14 minutes Amola. So to be honest, we still have a little bit time. But I don't know if suddenly we see this big candle and then imagine, okay. Okay, I just do this big candle here. Wait, sometimes it's very hard to get the middle. Okay, now can get it. Okay. Suddenly we start to see it go down, okay, and then it start to go up, right? We shouldn't feel happy that yay, that means our liquidity is disturbed already. Wait, because if this happens, right, like right now, right, for within this 13 minutes left, it start to move down just to take out liquidity and then it close bullish. Be very careful and just wait even more for price to develop. Okay, maybe one or two more candles in the smaller time frame. Because why? If suddenly price can move aggressively like that, that means something is going on. Okay, when something is going on, it is very hard to predict if this range or not range, this zone will be able to hold price or not based on the volume and based on how price is moving. As of now, price is beautiful. To be honest, it is beautiful, but just this is making me feel uncomfortable. Okay, if you ask me, I still feel there's a chance that price will go down after this candle to take out certain things. Because why? Like I said, guys, they kind of correlate in terms of how they move. You see, Bitcoin is moving down, see Solana also moving down. Okay, it is because Solana never reached, is not supposed to reach, not they have to reach, okay, but he never reached to at least the tip of this support range in order for us to actually see a move towards the upside line. So there is still some room. And also, if you don't want to reach also, there are liquidity ranges within this area, which price still have some points. It's either move here or either move here. Okay, so this is what is something is telling me that probably I'm still going to see a little bit of a movement towards the downside. Okay, let me just move this. Sorry, guys. And then ETH, as you all know, this one we missed already, but this one also still got a chance at least to tap in this range. Okay, take out certain zones of liquidity, and then probably we'll be starting to see another move, another leg up. I already marked it already, So majority of it, right, is showing me things. Not Dogecoin. Dogecoin I didn't check. Okay, I just checked these three. So just as a basic foundation, it is kind of showing me and telling me that probably we're going to move down first. Okay, so I'm not going to enter this trade just because I'm seeing a bullish candle, just because it came into my key level area. I will still wait. Probably I will wait, I don't know, maybe 2 hours, maybe 1 or 2 hours, or maybe even 3 hours before I think about entering this trading opportunity. Okay. If you guys have any questions pertaining to the analysis or whatever, means you guys can just let me know. Okay, I can ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. But this is the basis of it now. I just used the remaining two cryptocurrencies, which is Solana and also ETH, as a foundation to understand that I think price is still going to move down a little bit more. So BTC also, if it close bullish right now, like I said, the bottom part of those candles is kind of like a double bottom. Get this too. Okay, not exactly, because double bottom, if you want it to be exact, means it'd be the same low. So how you can check that? Very easy. You just if you're using TradingView, okay, you use the cursor, you just put it on top of the candle, and then you watch these numbers here. I highlighted this before, so in the previous live stream quite some time ago. Okay, so you see the L, you just focus on the L. That is means low. So the low is 106,831.1. So what is this low? So 106,834.4. So it's a little bit higher. Okay, but in trading sense, and I like to see it that way. As long as didn't close, this didn't close below, okay, this previous low, I will consider this as an equal low because they're quite close by each other, and then he didn't take out this low. All right, this is just the, like I said yesterday also I mentioned this a lot. This is just how I choose to see the charts. It works for me. I hope if you guys try it, if it works for you, I'm very happy lah. Okay, you guys can try it out. All of this, right, is all come from backtesting. The more we backtest, the more we'll find out certain trading concepts, certain trading matrix, certain trading, basically the understanding of how market reacts to certain things. Okay, we'll be able to really understand that only through backtesting. Okay, so really take your time, okay, into backtesting. Backtesting is very fun. Just don't get emotional when you backtest. If you backtest and you lose every single trade, it is okay. That is why you're backtesting. Guess what? If you lose every single trade, right, whatever you backtest, you're just supposed to do the opposite thing. Let's say if you just put sell and then you lose all, that means guess what? If you put buy, you would have won everything. Okay, so what you have to do, you just go back to all the parts that you sell and then figure out, actually you're supposed to buy, but why? Okay, so that is where you'll find the hidden clues all. Okay. Okay, plus apologize guys. Don't know why my truck one kind with that. Suddenly only want to become like this. I think so far okay lah. I don't think I can do live stream very long today. I don't know why my voice is acting up. Alright, so Bitcoin, I will wait a bit more, okay, because I feel like we will still be moving down a little bit more. Let's just wait. I prefer to wait. Okay, please don't react just based on this, guys. This is not enough. Okay, based on my personal advice, whatever we're seeing now is not enough. Okay, so this was the golden opportunity that didn't actually come into the zone yet. Okay, this, because of this candle move up right at 6 o'clock, okay, I kind of already predicted that the news for US today was going to be bad. Because why? This one is already telling me that, okay, market actually broke above this structure, okay, and then I am now anticipating, earlier I was anticipating when I see this red candle for it to retest in this area. So if it retests in this area, the news must come out as good or bad. You guys can try now, even if you see the live stream later on, okay, you guys can just try to just guess. If you want to retest in this area, okay, the news must come out bad for US. Because after retest, market will start to move higher because this is AUD versus USD. But if news is good, this won't be a retest. This might be a reversal. Okay, because it will start to push price down like what it's doing up now. Okay, it will push price down, and then probably we will start to see this structure don't hold price, and then it will start to break, and then we'll go to this target instead. Okay, so everything is happening in accordance to price action. Okay, everything is happening accordingly. The only thing not happening accordingly is it never came to retest in this zone. Does that mean I'm going to chase price or not? No, you also shouldn't, guys. Just don't. If it didn't, leave it. Okay? Today is Monday. Today is Thursday, right? We still have one more trading day tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay? The worst thing to do is worry. Okay, so Euro USD, let me check. Oh, nice. GBP USD. Yesterday, I highlighted to you guys to focus on GBP USD lah. Okay? So overall, the trade went very beautifully. It came into our zone. So this was our zone lah. Okay? It broke above. Sorry, I better use in H1. Then you guys can see. Okay? When was the time yesterday? We checked. Yesterday was 11, right? So this was the one. We saw the break above. This was the red candle, the basically the retest candle. Okay, and then market shoot higher. I don't know, like guys, sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my throat today. Yeah, so this trade went beautifully well. Okay, I hope you guys have entered the trade. Again, earned from this GBP USD which we highlighted yesterday. If you did, congrats. If you didn't, so it's okay. Use this as a backtesting tool to backtest and see what did you guys or what were you guys able to analyze when price came within this range. Okay. Euro USD, I was actually anticipating another pullback to this range, but it didn't. It just shoot higher, so I didn't chase price. It's okay. That means today is not for me to trade yet. Okay, I still have time for 9:30 for New York to open. So I will see later if there any opportunity. AUD we already spoke about. I'm still anticipating for a pullback. Let's see if that happens or not. Oh, look. This is just my own self motivation because I almost entered for a sell here when I saw this, and then the price came back into this range, but I didn't, only because I checked Euro USD and GBP USD. Overall, is looking that price is going to move up because remember we marked out this one yesterday. So even though this was a move down, that's why I marked this level. And I try to find certain level key zones on where probably price may stop that pullback. Only probability are not confirmed. In this case, it happened, which I'm thankful. So this helped me to understand that, you know what, this push down and then this pullback, most probably this range won't be holding. Okay? Yeah, so that's why I didn't enter. So that was just a self-motivation thing that I wrote for myself. You guys should do that. Actually, that's very good to do. So right now, same thing, guys. Exactly the same thing. Market push up, okay? Waiting for it to come down, and then go for another buying opportunity. This one actually almost, really almost, but it didn't. So like I said, for me, my trading style, I'm very strict. Only if it really do certain things and come to certain areas, then only I will choose to enter a trade. Okay? In this case, it didn't, so I won't be entering the trade. You guys should be like that also. Okay? Uh, I think that's it, guys, for today. Sorry, I really have to end it early. They don't know what's wrong with my throat. Suddenly, no, before this is fine. There you see, guys, it's moving down like we anticipated. This is why it's good to analyze in not only multi-time frame but also multi pairs that kind of correlate with the overall movement. Okay, so since overall is showing me that we are still the probability for it to move down a bit more before we start to see a potential move higher is a lot. So that's why. And then also this was an equal low. See, 1 minute it will close, so I don't know if it will close below this level or not. If it does, it's also a good thing. That means this liquidity has been swept. So I will just wait. So for the probability of me entering a forex trade today, not very high. Is actually unlikely unless this comes down. I'm kind of focusing on this, so I mark this out. The rest is just for me to understand. Okay, we're actually moving up, so we understand the overall direction is up. All right. So I probably will be entering BTC because this one is the one that is much clearer. And then also there are a few other foundation markets that are supporting my buyers in this case. But of course, I just need to use my technique and my strategy. Once price does certain things in this range, then only I will choose to either enter or. But you guys will know lah. Okay, if you guys are following my Instagram, I surely will post that and you guys can actually watch it out lah. If you guys would like to learn personally from me or so, I'll be more than happy to do so. I have a link in the description below where you guys can register, or you can actually just text me directly through my WhatsApp. There's also a link there. If you guys worried to tap on the link, I highlighted this as yesterday or so. You guys can directly search my Instagram handle and then you can text me directly from there. Okay, no links or anything needed lah. If that means okay. And thank you guys so much for joining today's live stream. I'm so sorry that I have to end it early because I don't know why my throat is acting up. I better go check it out because I want to make sure that I do not get sick. So vitamin C right now. I need to get vitamin C. Please have a wonderful rest of the day. Okay, if you ask me, like I said, focus on BTC for a buying opportunity, but depending on how price is going to react in this zone. Since we are going to be close to New York Open, just wait 9:30. Okay, just see what happens. All right. Overall, we are seeing it move towards the upside. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you all in tomorrow's live stream, guys. Take care. Take care. Bye bye.